Hey there, would you like to start an automated business online? You're not sure where you can get started? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to 5 steps that you can use, even though you have no knowledge whatsoever, to get started with your very own automated business online. My name is Rupesh, and a very warm welcome to you to this channel, Passive Income for All. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button because this channel is all about helping you to find the best possible ways to making money online. And if you want to get started with building your very own online business, then you can also check out my #1 recommendation simply by clicking on a link that is directly below this video. Okay, so this is what we're going to cover today. I'm just going to talk to you about what automated business systems all about. Should you fully automate your business? What are the 5 steps to automating your business? And lastly, I'm just going to chat to you quickly about some of the benefits to having an online business. Alright, so what exactly are automated business systems? Now, I just want to be clear with you before we go forward. I'm not sure how long you've been within the online space, but if you are looking for opportunities to make money online, you might have come across opportunities where they promise you can make profits on autopilot using an automated system. And this is not what it's about, because the truth of the matter is there are no get-rich-quick systems to making quick profits online. You have to put in some work, you have to put in some efforts to making money online. And that's the kind of systems that I'm talking about, where you put in the time and effort to building certain aspects of your online business so that, at the end of the day, you don't want to get involved with your online business every single hour, minute of the day. You want to put in the efforts and you want to get it to a point where you're focusing only on the important aspects, and this is what the automation part is that I'm referring to. So now coming to the slide, I'm going to give you an example of a traditional business, right? A traditional business will focus on various processes or tasks that will help to make the business much more streamlined, much more efficient, and this is what you want to do in your business. So they will focus on something like the sales process, the marketing process. Maybe they'll hire a marketing department to do certain marketing aspects of the business, the ordering process, and finally the customer service. How do you reach out to the customer? Like in an online business, for instance, you would have email marketing, for instance. Once a customer signs up to your funnel, then you want to communicate with them, and this is part of your automation of your online business, but I'll talk more about that later on. So while these are the tasks and the processes, you might still have some tools that you're going to have to use to execute these sort of systems. Like maybe they need to use things like website applications. Maybe they need to use scripts or bots to do the communication on the customer. It's just a lot of things, but it may sound very expensive when it comes to the online business. But the truth of the matter is it's way more cheaper to get started when it comes to the online business. But there again, I'll talk to you about the benefits of online business towards the end of this video. So stick around for that. Okay, now can a business be fully automated? And the answer is no. At least I don't think so. Because look, there is only so much that a computer can do. At the end of the day, you want to establish a personal relationship or a business relationship with your client, and this is something that only computers can do to a certain extent. At the end of the day, you want to give value to the customer, you want to show them that you are here to help them, and that is why your business should not be fully automated. My mentor once told me that at the end of the day, you are selling to another human being on the other side of the offer, the funnel, or whatever it is. So you need to make sure that you are always going to be there to help them every step of the way. And having said that, when it comes to automating your business, this is also something that you should not rush into and speed up the process. Make sure that all of your steps are in place. And now we're going to come to the next part of the video where we're going to talk about the steps that you need to start an automated online business. Alright, so the first step to starting your online business is you got to go with picking your niche for your online business. Now, niche simply means the audience that your business is going to be targeting, or what your business is going to be all about. And do not overcomplicate the step, and do not take too long a step. A lot of people that I help along the way to building an online business feel that they need to have the perfect niche before they can get started with maybe doing their first video or blog post or social media or whatever the case is. And this is simply not true, because when you're getting started, you might not know much about your niche, but this is not a bad idea because you will grow as your business grows. You just need to be one step ahead and help the people who are out there. Now, the three big niches are the make money niche, and in here the subtopics you can go for, or subcategories: affiliate marketing or cryptocurrency investing. Then you got the health niche, which is filled with so much of topics. You can go for vitamin supplementation, you can do dieting, health, fitness. There's tons of topics you can go there. And then it's the relationship niche, where you can talk about dating, love, and confidence. So that is the first step. So now you've got your niche in your mind. Let's check what step 2 is. Step 2 is you need to do your market research. Now, market research will form the basis of any business. Market research simply means looking at what is out there. Let's take, for instance, your competitors. You want to see what they're posting, and if they are posting something or if they are doing something and you are in the same niche, then the chances are it's going to work for you as well. And you know what? You can use so many different methods to see what your competitors are up to. You can go with a keyword tool. I use Jaxi as a keyword tool when I first start out to do product reviews and blog articles. You can check the link below this video. You can also use YouTube. You can use social media platforms, for instance, Facebook. Facebook is a perfect example. You simply just go into the Facebook groups and you see what your competitors are doing, and from there you have a better idea of what it is people are doing and what sort of direction you can follow to also make it a success. The third step is you want to find the right product to promote. Now, this can take some time, but you have to make sure that you get this right. And the reason why is, let's just say, for instance, you're doing affiliate marketing. You don't want to choose a product that's a mediocre product or a product that's scammy. And if it's not legit, then it's your reputation that's the end of the line, and people will tend not to buy from you in the future if they know that you promote these sort of products. So do your research on finding the right product to promote. Some of the pointers that you can remember is make sure that there's a good customer support to this product, there's a good commission structure, and of course make sure it's legit. Okay, then step 4, you're going to need to set up your sales funnel. Now, this is a crucial part of your business, because if you don't set a sales funnel properly, then you're not going to make any money. You know, it's not just about sending a person directly to your sales offer, because that's not how this works. You see, the purpose of a sales funnel, it's a process to take your prospect or your customer, right, to knowing nothing about the product or who you are, to finally becoming a customer who's going to end up buying from you. And there are various parts to a particular or successful sales funnel. What you're going to need, first of all, you're going to need an opt-in page. And then what you're going to need after that is you're going to need a lead magnet. And a lead magnet is something that you would give to your prospect in exchange for the email address. And then finally, you would direct them to your pitch or to your sales offer. Step 5 is where it all comes together. So now, in order to automate your business, you would need a few tools, and one of the tools you would need would be an autoresponder. An autoresponder is simply a tool that will help you to collect the emails of the people who sign into your initial offer so that you can maintain a relationship with them. Remember, they might not all buy from you on the very first occasion, but as time grows on and you develop more value with them, you give them more value, you develop in a relationship where they're going to like you, they're going to trust you. Eventually they'll buy from you what it is that you have up for sale. And then the second tool you would need is, obviously, you need something to build your lead magnet, and that's where you're going to go for a landing page builder. If you are not an affiliate marketer and if you have an e-commerce business, then you might need a payment processor. But if you are an affiliate marketer, you don't really have to worry about this. Now, to make your life easier, I would recommend a tool called System.io. It allows you to do everything, to build your funnels, to have your email autoresponder. Everything is in this simple tool, and it's free to sign it up. Just check it out. There's one of the links that is below this video. Okay, so now we come to the closing parts of the video. What are the benefits of starting an online business? The first main benefit is you're going to have control over your time. Once your business is starting to pick up, then you will have time and financial freedom. Of course, put in some effort and time initially to get to that point. You can work from anywhere in the world. You just need a decent internet connection and a computer that will do the job. Scalability, once you find what it is that's working, it's simply a matter of concentrating all your efforts on that aspect, and then you can increase or scale up your income from there. And it's much more cheaper than starting with the traditional online and with a traditional business. And that is how you can go about setting up your very own automated online business. I hope that this video has helped you out and it's given you a clearer picture of what it entails to get started within the world of the online business. If you'd like to go and learn more on how to get started, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link that is below the video to get started. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them directly below this video and I'll get back to you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so that we can chat in my next video. It was so awesome to speak to you and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. All the best.